So there's no official app or there's no official software which is released by blockchain in order for you to download blockchain wallet on your PC. Blockchain wallet is only available for Android version. So if you want to use it on your PC, you gotta use a loophole, which I'm gonna be showing you in today's video. But before that, a disclaimer. This video is related with crypto, and anything related with crypto has its own risk. So if you're living in a country where crypto is banned, or if your crypto is hacked or anything, then we are not liable for that, because this video is just for educational purpose. Any risk that comes with crypto, it's upon you. We are not liable for it. Alright? Now with that out of the way, you wanna search for BlueStacks download. Now this is a mobile emulator, so you have to download this mobile emulator, and after downloading the mobile emulator, you can install blockchain wallet on your PC. So how I'm gonna do that is just search for BlueStack download, click on versus download BlueStack. Once you click on it, it'll take you to its website. Click on download BlueStack 5. Once you click on it, the BlueStack will start to download. After it downloads, you gotta install it. After you install it, it's gonna open up just like this. So basically this is what it's gonna look like. Once it's open up just like this, you can click on Play Store. After you go on Play Store, you gotta log in into your Play Store account by typing your Gmail information. After you do that, where it says search, you want to write blockchain wallet. After you write blockchain wallet, you want to search for it. After you search for it, click on install. Once you click on install, your blockchain wallet should install. Now you guys can use your blockchain wallet on your PC. Because this is a mobile emulator, it acts like it's a mobile, so you can download any mobile app and mobile games on BlueStack and play it. So that's what we are using. This is the loophole. You gotta download emulator which is gonna act like a mobile, and you can download it. After it downloads, you can open and use it easily.